Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror on a Ford Transit Connect. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a socket set, and a trim removal tool to protect your vehicle's interior. Having your new side mirror on hand before you begin ensures a smooth replacement process. Let's get started by preparing our workspace and ensuring we have everything we need for this straightforward repair. Now, let's tackle the door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any small plastic covers that conceal screws, often found near the door handle or armrest. Use your screwdriver to remove these, along with any other visible fasteners. With the screws out, use a trim removal tool to gently release the clips around the panel's perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. With the door panel removed, you'll gain access to the mirror's mounting hardware. First, locate and disconnect the electrical connector if your mirror has power functions. Next, use your socket wrench to remove the 3 mounting nuts or bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Carefully remove the old mirror. Now, position your new mirror, feed the wiring through the opening, and secure it by tightening the 3 mounting bolts firmly. Almost done, reconnect the electrical plug to your new mirror, ensuring a secure connection for all functions. Carefully align the door panel, making sure the top edge seats correctly, then press firmly around the perimeter to re-engage all the clips. Replace all the screws and plastic covers you removed earlier. Finally, test your new mirror's adjustments and any heated features to confirm everything works perfectly. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other helpful deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.